That annoys me. Okay, sorry. It was from Jeff Dunham show. Did you see the one when he was like in his face? It was funny. Yeah, no. Am I emo? No. I'm totally not emo because I'm like, I hate people crack their knuckles.
Oh, well.
If they made a fan of that on Facebook, I'd join it. Like,
oh my god, you have to step in my back later because it cracks like a lot.
Remember mine?
It was like.
I'm so tense all the time.
Wait, no, put it right there and step in my back.
Say so.
I'm gonna lay down somehow because it's comfier than laying on the freaking floor.
Oh, dude.
My cousin usually does it, but she doesn't weigh enough. Not that I'm saying you're fat, I'm just saying. She's only like 75
Why did you have to
pounds.
say that in comments? Now people are gonna be like, oh, she is fat though.
It's not working. Go lower. 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 No, ow.
I'm sorry. I'm stepping on your foot.
Don't do that.
The one you think.
Go like right here.
I went there.
Oh, that felt good.
I wish there was like a microphone. Okay, step on mine.
You should have heard that. It was like.
I wish there was like an extra strong microphone so you could hear it. Mine's gonna crack a lot. Lower.
Oh my god, did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's fun.
It's like the best. Ooh, we should like, this is our new camera position.
I need to like put my hair up again after you pulled it 3 times.
Just in case if you watch our video, it's, I forgot what the name was.
It was slapping contest gone wrong. She pulled my hair and then.
Yeah, and then my mom yelled at me in the middle of the video. So, and we were like, well, I was like,
She was like, I'm sorry, mommy.
I was like, I don't.
And your mom was like, oh yeah. And you're like, yeah, I know.
Yeah, because like I wasn't sorry. Because I'm trying to have a fun sleepover. My brother's away for
2 days.
2 days, so
And I'm here for today.
I feel like an only
And you're
child.
gonna be by yourself tomorrow. So sad. What are you gonna do tomorrow by yourself?
I don't know. My parents aren't going to work though, or my parents aren't doing work because it's a weekend.
Well, no, it's Saturday.
It's a weekend.
Yeah, I know. I was like, no, it's Saturday.
You're bad at sarcasm.
No, you just don't get it.
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna slap you again. Pull your hair down. No, that's just annoying. What are you doing?
I'm a vampire.
She's lesbo.
No, I'm not. She loves you.
She's a lesbo. She's a lesbian. She's the lesbo.
She's the lesbo.
Stop.
Good
No,
ball.
shut up. I didn't know what
I was raped.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
You're raping yourself.
4,
Well, not.
5.
It's not legal
6,
unless it's 8 seconds.
7, 8.
She raped herself. Oh. That's for slapping my head twice. Really hard. Is she okay? Kabuki? Bugaboo? Holy crap. No! Get away. Oh, what the hell? I kicked her.
Who is that? Selena Gomez. Wait, I'm telling you to go.
Glurpy. No, run away.
Okay,
Said we're watching Sunny with a Chance.
Okay.
Nobody wants to see that.
Nobody wants to see it.
Wait,
She licked me and raped me.
I did not rape you.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did. Oh, what the computer doing? Let me position it. Let me position it. Let me position it.
You look like the Grudge when you do that. I'll just put some really cool glasses on and you'll be the hippie, like the hippie cool Grudge.
Sorry if
You know what'd be funny? They made a Grudge movie, but when somebody was like slapping her, she's like, you know, bitch, it's enough. Stop slapping me. I am the freaking Grudge. You should be scared by now. Like, and cut your.
I'm already dead. I'm already dead, so there's nothing to hurt.
Oh, I'm sorry. That hurt.
They're not even like touching me, so
Exactly.
you don't know my weakness.
It's your feet. No, it's just that I've done it before. Proceed to it again. Oh,
I can't think. Wait, everything's spinning. Everything's moving.
I'm tickling her feet and she's going crazy. She fell down. She fell. Just go to bed.
It's down on my elbows me in the same place. I feel dizzy.
Oh, of course you.
Dizzy.
May I help?
Why do I feel dizzy? Turn the camera to me. Why do I feel dizzy? Oh, there's something in my eye. Wait, pause. There's something in my eye.
You can't pause.
Whatever you want to call it. I meant pause. I think.
She's drunk. Watch. You want to see how much wine and beer they have? Because they had a party last night. Look. All that wine and beer. Oh, just wine and whiskey and stuff. Where'd she go? Oh, she's right there. What's she doing under the table? What the hell? She has problems right now. Here's another spot that's pretty good. Okay, she's trying to be scary and walking at me like hard.
I have a wedgie.
Where is she?
Stop slapping me, okay?
I'm gonna put the basket on you again.
No, don't put it on me. No. No. Don't worry.
Die. Oh my gosh,
No, I'm not. I'm the comics, damn it.
shut the heck up. You're making noise. You're gonna wake up the parents.
I hate the comics.
The Grudge is waking up my parents.
Give up.